Justifying circumstances. The following do not incur any criminal liability. Number 1. Any who acts in defense of his person or rights, provided that following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Second, any who acts in defense of the person or rights of his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or legitimate, natural, or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in some degrees, and those who consanguinity within the fourth civil decree, provided that the first and second requisites prescribed in the next proceeding circumstances are present, and the further requisite in case the provocation is given by the person attacked, that the one making defense had no part therein. Third, anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisites mentioned in the first circumstances of the article are prevent, and the person defending be not injured by the revenge, resentment, or other civil motive. Fourth, any person who endure, avoid, uncivil injury, does an act which causes damage to other, provided that these following requisites are present. First, the evils sought to be avoided actually exist. Second, the injury feared by greater than that done to avoid it.